Hey lovely people, today I bring you the delicious Ugandan Rolex. Yes, I mean the one that you eat, not the one that you put on. Please enjoy. Yes, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's enjoy the recipes. Yes, so I'm going to use 3 eggs, add them in the bowl. I chopped some onions right here. Add in your vegetables, your onions, carrots, garlic, green pepper. Really, there is no limit. You can add in as many vegetables as you like. It's that interesting. Yes, so here I'm adding in my green pepper. Yes, so as we go through this, please tell me what you know about Rolex. How do you enjoy it best? Do you love it plain like this, or you love some beef or chicken? What do you enjoy? So yes, I add in 1 tomato, chopped tomato, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also add in pepper. I didn't use pepper in this one, but you can add in pepper. Yes, so these are my chapatis. I had already made the chapatis. And stay tuned, I'm going to bring for you delicious chapati recipes. Yes, so add in 2 tablespoons of oil in your pan. Please make sure the oil has heat up properly before you add in your eggs. Yes, so now I add in my eggs and I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes on each side. So here you turn it on the other side so that it also gets ready. Our egg really looks nice. I'm telling you guys, the aroma in this place is amazing. Yes, so on top of that, throw on your chapati, and yes, cook on a medium heat. Turn your chapati you turn it on the other side, and you also let it cook for 3 minutes. Yes. Yes, now our Rolex is ready. You put it on the plate, remove it from the fire. Now we are going to add our ingredients, more ingredients. Yes, this is really interesting. So yes, I have raw cabbage here. I'm going to add very finely chopped cabbage, white cabbage, and raw tomatoes. Now this makes the Rolex extra delicious. Most of us call it nyanya mbisi here, and most of you, my fellow Ugandans, can relate. This is really delicious. I prefer my Rolex with raw tomatoes. Tell me how you prefer yours. Do you like raw tomatoes, or you want to go without them? Yes, so roll it, as you can see here. Nice. Now our Rolex is actually done. This is how it looks like. Very juicy because of the vegetables, and yes, and the cabbage makes it a bit crunchy. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for more videos.